Hey She Gang, happy Tuesday. This is the first time I picked up a camera since my last vlog, only because it was rough. Yeah, I had a rough week, but I'm back. I'm in the lab, as you can see. Yes, I'm wearing Bad Choices Make Good Stories, a She Is Creation shirt, as you guys know. I got y'all propped up on something, so y'all keep shaking, so let me stop doing this table. I'm actually doing some mock-ups and trying to get some orders out. Today is Tuesday. It is my best friend's birthday. We are going to see Tyler Perry, the final chapter, or whatever the play is called. I'll put it down here, but we are going to see it. So when I come back, I will tell you guys how it went, and that will be my review of the play, will be the video for tomorrow. So I wanted to show you guys something. I don't know, but I do got an announcement. If you are in Jacksonville, we also host bling teas and cocktails. I'll put the flyer up here or over here somewhere. All day. Hi. I was making shirts earlier. Say hey.
Hi.
Don't. What's up? Don't do it. We're going to see Tyler Perry. I'll tell y'all about it tomorrow.
You gonna keep tossing your hair?
I always do that. Every time I look at my video, I'm always in my hair. I really need my natural hair back. Well, we're going to see Tyler Perry, and like as usual, I'm not, well, I was early, but he told the cars to go. They about to get us ran over. But no, we're on our way to see Tyler Perry. We late. We late because of them. And she rocking a She Is Creation shirt.
We're jaywalking also, but it's okay.
Yeah. I should have brought my other camera, but I don't know. But anyway, my battery is dead and I'm using my phone, so I'm gonna have to come back. But I'll tell y'all how it is. She got us in the nosebleed section. My friend bought the ticket. Crazy. Doesn't make no sense. Hope y'all having a good evening. We gotta go to the escalator one more time. Look at him. You too. They got us all the way at the top.
At the very top. Like, my nose already done started bleeding. We ain't even get there yet.
I ain't even been up here for nothing.
I didn't even know it went up this high.
No, me either. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Oh my goodness. We at the roof. We at the roof of the roof of the arena.
Do they even have drinks up here?
It's 302.
Yep. My outfit. My friend in her She Is shirt. It's 307. Oh, let me check these tickets. Finally made it to the birthday girl. Happy birthday.
April time.
No. It was Zenobia time and it was Brenda time.
That is a lie. I didn't leave work time.
And I waited on you.
Huh?
I was waiting on you, and then we had to go get Brenda.
You always try to go
No, because she said y'all was on my time. You wasn't waiting on me. I wasn't the problem.
But she knows.
I got in the car at 6:35. So what happened from there?
Smile for the
We didn't
camera.
have no gas, so we had to stop.
Well, that's, I know it's true. So, you can't argue with that. Z.
Okay,
I see you.
Now your phone dropped. But yeah, it's the intermission. We just had a little motivational thing. It was really cute. I need something to drink. Like soda or water. So you wanna go out in the vlog? Why? I'm thirsty.
I don't think you can buy drinks.
You don't even gotta go up one.
Huh?
Don't you gotta go down?
That's why I wore flats.
I just feel like if I go tumbling down these stairs.
Yeah.
That's the titi. Why are you saying
Because she
titi?
didn't know that's the TT. That's TT on the internet.
What you mean the titi?
He has a blog.
Where it say that?
That's who it is. That's his name, Titi.
What she's saying is she didn't know it was the TT from the internet.
Oh.
Oh, it is.
Yes, that's what she's saying. And you was like, what do you mean TT?
Oh, it is. I don't know. You know, I don't know nothing. I don't be knowing the names of nothing.
Almost spit all the. My Marcos is actually. You might need to get your prostate checked in. Wow. Women do not have a prostate.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yes, I'm going to upload this vlog today because I'm actually ending the vlog from yesterday. Well, it really wasn't a vlog yesterday. Y'all, it's been a rough week for me, but I told you consistency, so I will get a vlog uploaded. I will get a vlog uploaded today. Not by 12 o'clock, but I will get it done today. But yeah, yesterday I turned on the camera to talk a little bit about what I was doing, but I didn't notice my freaking camera was full, and so I'm like, shoot, I'm not even recording, so I was gonna record it over. So I don't know where that cut off at. I have to look at the footage, but also I was saying I went to the Tyler Perry's farewell play last night. It was one of my friend's birthday, so we went to celebrate her birthday. So I'll put, it should be some clips before this, but it really was, we had a good time. My take on it was, listen, I'm scared of heights, even though I like adventurous stuff, but I don't care for heights. And we was high. My friend is not from here. She's from Mississippi. So when she bought the tickets, she wasn't realizing that section 300, it was so steep. So yeah, we were very high up. So I'm like, and I had on high heels, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is so high. So we really couldn't see the stage, but we could hear. We got there kind of late. So I don't know. It was funny. You know, Tyler Perry was good. Now, I went to see him about 9 years ago, and it was definitely an upgrade. Like, he had fancy effects, and of course, Tyler Perry being who Tyler Perry is, it definitely was worth it in 2010, and it definitely was worth it last night. I wish I was a little bit closer, so I probably should have paid attention to the seats, but for the most part, I did enjoy it. And one of the things that he said was, when he talked about his journey, was that so many people told him no. Thousands of people told him he crazy or he can't do it, and he crazy or he can't do it, and a bunch of stuff like that. But he said he had one yes from God. And so I say that to say, tomorrow I'm gonna go speak at FAMU, to one of their organizations about entrepreneurship and in business. And that's one of the things that I'm gonna talk about, how I turn my yeses into nos. Because sometimes, you know, sometimes people tell us no or tell us what we can't do, and we believe it. But just because one door closes don't mean you can't find another way or go a different route or still pursue your dream, because somebody don't believe in it. You got to believe in your dream, and you have to be able to press forward. So that was so that kind of resonated with me, listening to him talk about his journey. And that's just kind of my journey with running a business and entrepreneurship and all the things that I dealt with, you know, growing up, and how every time something happened, people told me what I can't do. But in all actuality, That's not true. Like, you don't define me. You don't dictate my future. I dictate my future, and that's because of, you know, the work I put in, my faith and my beliefs and things like that. So that really, out of the whole play, that's what I took away from it. So if you went to go see Tyler Perry, or if you saw his farewell show, let me know how it go if he's coming to your city. But yeah, that was my take on it. So also, let me show you. These are excuse my bra, y'all, but I'm in the house. But this sweatshirt that I did for somebody, it's a "You a Bad Girl and Your Friends Bad Too." She wanted it in kind of big because I think she's gonna wear it as a sweater dress. And then I also got this sweatshirt, "I'm the Queen," and that's really cute. I got them on display because I wasn't ready to fold them up yet. I have this sweatshirt for somebody to pick up. It says, turn it this way, it says "The Queen of Dirty." I don't know if you can see, but it says "The Queen of Dirty," and if you follow me on social media, you probably saw them. But I do a lot of work for the Dirty Girls and some work for the Dirty Boys. That's the motorcycle club. That's their motorcycle club merchandise. So yeah, I do a lot of work for them. And also, like I told you, we don't just do shirts, we do other stuff. If my lighting is so bad, but the book bag, it says "Sweet Christie's." It's really cute. So we got a book bag there, and like I said, you know, we do other stuff. Like, I packaged it up already, but somebody wanted to order some birthday tights. So on one leg it says "Your Birthday," and the top says it's matching or whatever. But anyways, yes, so that's enough about what I'm doing today. So right now I'm going to answer some emails, get some orders out, and prepare my speech. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the little bit of footage that I had from the Tyler Perry, and I also hope you enjoyed my take on it. And if you do go see it, leave comments below. And also, if you guys want to see any other type of video, please let me know what type of videos you want to see. If you want to see how I make merchandise and any type of processes that I do in-house, definitely let me know. But I will see you guys on Sunday, definitely. But if not Sunday, I may put a bonus vlog up Friday, maybe. Talk to you guys later.